Hi, I'm Douglas Kiang, and I teach computer science here at Punahou School in Honolulu, Hawaii. And since the summer, I've been really fortunate to be involved with a great cohort of high school educators who are looking at how to design and build apps that serve a purpose or solve a problem. And at the same time, we're also using that as a study for how can we help to create innovative, transformative change in our own classrooms and school environments. So it's been a lot of really neat work. We started this summer with an intensive coding academy experience where we kind of came together and we heard from a number of different community organizations. We learned about the kinds of people that they helped, and we started to think about, well, how could we design an app that would help with some aspect of their work? And that was a great brainstorming process. And what came out of it was a prototype that actually works on a mobile app that helped us to start to envision what would an app look like that does a number of these things. And for us, that's really what drives the learning to code in Swift and learning Xcode. It's really all based around how do we build something that comes out of our understanding of a challenge that somebody else faces, or perhaps that we face. One of the challenges, of course, that we face is difficult change. Change is hard, and how can we go about creating transformative change in our own environments? And so some of the work that we've been doing this school year has been looking at not just what does the research say, but also what is it that actually works in a practical sense. And so every week we've been meeting online and seeing each other's faces and sharing some of our experiences with not just teaching coding and design and Xcode, but also we've been helping each other in crafting innovation proposals. So some type of challenge that we see or some kind of a problem that we see in our environment, how do we go about addressing that, and how do we design and invent something that will go about addressing that? And it could be a challenge in the form of coding, or it could be just a different curricular challenge. But what we found is that being together as one cohort group really helps, because we can bounce ideas off of each other and we can learn from each other what works. And even learning what doesn't work can help somebody else, and it might work in a different environment. So, change is hard. But when you tie change to this idea of iterative design, that we try something, it doesn't work, we change something, we try it again. If we tie it together with iterative design and the collaboration, the coming together and realizing that we're not alone in this. We are doing something that's pretty difficult. Swift is a new language, change is hard. But by working together, we can help each other to get better. And so as a whole, we are just learning so much this year. So I think it's just been a wonderful experience to be involved with Lamar University, with their guidance, and working with Apple's Swift and Xcode, really powerful tools that together can create powerful change.